it turns out, the city of Seattle says 98% of first responders have either been vaccinated or have been granted an exemption. Farah Jadron's here in studio with more on how many workers are still yet to submit their vaccine status. They had until midnight, right?
They did. They had until midnight. So as of 12:01 this morning, we're looking at only 16 firefighters and 24 police officers that were yet to file their paperwork. That according to Mayor Jenny Durkin. So we'll see how those numbers shake out as the morning goes on. As for exemptions, the city granted 6% of the fire department and 7% of the police department. If an officer or firefighter is unvaccinated but in the exemption process, as of 12:01 this morning, they are able to report to work.
We want to have our valued employees, but we need for public health for them to be vaccinated. So I'm not going to make any prejudgments until we see what the lay of the land is. If people make the choice that they don't want to keep their jobs because they don't want to be vaccinated, they will have that choice. I hope they don't make it.
Mayor Durkin said the city is in much better shape than they anticipated simply because a majority of workers went out and got their shots or filed for exemptions. The next steps are to see how many verification forms and exemption requests were filed as of the deadline. Durkin said she will then meet with all department heads to make sure everyone has enough staff. Live in the studio, Farah Jadron, back to you.